Simple solutions to life.
Make it love, simple solution. Make it love, make it love, make it love, simple solution. Make it love,
Simple solution.
Hello, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are new here, you just seen my face for the first time, my name is Medilock and I'm saying a big welcome to you. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, you've been watching my video this while, or maybe this is the first time you're seeing my video, why not join us? Just subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Yes, so today I want to teach you something about the mystery of the glass cup. Yes, just a glass cup of water, yes, will change your life. Yes, this will change your life. How do you do this? How do you achieve this? So I would like to explain it a little bit and then I will show you how you can do it to make things to soften for you, to make your desire to come true, and then to make money to flow into your life. Are you facing difficulty in life? Are you finding it difficult to see things work positively for you? You are desiring something and yet your own will be like, you are the only one. You keep panting and yet things are not working the way you want. Don't worry. Yes, today we will bring an end to that by the grace of God. Yes, so what are we talking about? What do you need? In this particular spiritual exercise, you will be needing a glass cup like this. This one is a peculiar kind of spirituality. Yes, you will be needing cowrie, spiritual cowrie, just one cowrie. Yes, that reminds me, I made a video on how to attract money using salt, coin and cowrie recently. Yes, and it's working like mad. It's working. People, try it. Okay, try it. If you have not tried it yet, just try it. Yes, so this one, spiritual cowrie, you need one of it. Then you need your glass cup, and then in this particular exercise, I'm sorry, you will need sea salt. Okay, sea salt, just sea salt. So you will not be needing table salt, you will need sea salt so that you carry out this. And we have different colors of sea salt. We have different types. This one is pink one. This is pink salt. It's also a sea salt. Okay, they call it Himalayan salt. It's also good. You can use it. And then I also have another one that is rocky a little bit. It's not here right now. That one is inside. Is seed. And it's also pinkish color somehow. You can use it as long as it is a sea salt, and it can be grainy, very fine like this one, like this. You can also use it. It's also good for this exercise. So how do you do this? What you need to do is put your glass cup, then you are going to put water in your glass cup. You let the water get to half length. Yes, just half length. Okay, half. No matter the type of glass cup you're using, let the water be at the middle. Yes, your own might be bigger than this or smaller than this. Let your water be at the middle. Okay, so now having gotten your water, what you need to do now, you get your cowrie. This cowrie, this is spiritual cowrie. Yes, it's not fake, this is original. Okay, so you put it inside this water. Okay, yes, and then if you have coin of any type, yes, coin, as long as it's a money coin. This one is bronzy. This is bronzy in color. I have silver ones also, but right now this is the one I can lay my hands on this table right now, so I'm going to use it. This is a coin. Okay, any coin of your choice. It can be silver, it can be bronze, it can be golden color, whichever color you have in your own country, you can use it. Okay, so like this. Now you are going to put this coin inside. Okay, so now we have this, and there's one other thing that you will put inside that will amaze you. Yes, star anise. Yes, some of us have this star anise. Yes, star anise is magical in attracting money. Yes. Now you will put just one star anise inside. Yes, star anise is a dried herb. You know, it's like flower or whatever they call it. So it's to be on top. Don't mind it, let it be there. Then you are going to add your salt. I already pour some salt here. So you are going to put, get your spoon, carry your salt like this. Okay, carry your salt like this. No matter the quantity, just look at it. You just pour your salt inside. Now you have this combination here. Okay, so you can see that it covered the money, and the cowrie is still poking a little bit, but every other thing is inside. So your star anise is right on top of it like this. So now this is a serious, strong spiritual composition, and all these things, they attract money. Yes. I remember somebody left a comment for me yesterday that why are you not as rich as Dangote, or why are you not richer than Dangote? I replied him. I did not remove his comment too. I replied him. Yes, I said poverty is a state of mind. Yes, some people, they are very, very daft. They would never learn. When they are looking at it, they'll be looking at it. Even when their mother is talking to them at home, they'll be looking at their mother like this. They are very disobedient. And by the time your mom is dead, you are left alone in this life, then you begin to struggle for knowledge, for idea. You will not know anything because you refused to learn. Yes, some people are like that. They will never learn. See, you don't have to be. Do you know, I am from the northern part of Nigeria. Yes, and I live in the same place with Dangote's mother. Yes, and that woman, she prays. Yes, she's a prayer woman, mother. So, if you don't know, call me on private line and I'll tell you more. Yes, you cannot become anybody without praying, without spirituality. Yes. So quote me anywhere, write it down, Google it, search it, go to Oxford. You can never be anything if you don't get it from the realm of the spirit. By strength shall no man prevail. Your muscle cannot take you anywhere. Yes, now go and ask all the bouncers. Why are they guarding all those small boys that does not have muscles? But they have muscles. You need to see them. Why are they not billionaires? By strength shall no man prevail. And in fact, when you think you're wise, that is when you will fall. How many people are falling into the hands of scammers because they think they are wise? So it is not about wisdom, but it's about following the principles. Yes, it is on the padlock. When you put padlock, you lock it. Buy a fresh, brand new padlock, lock it, pray over it, lock it, go and keep it somewhere where somebody will find it. When the person just mistakenly open it, your financial door has been unlocked. In your own life, if you like, go to Australia, go to America, go to London, go to anywhere. Whatever your hand findeth to do, you will begin to prosper. Yes, and even if you are prospering already, you begin to multiply. That is the essence of it. It's not that you just put padlock, you unlock it, and then you keep it, and then you start expecting to see money inside your account. You begin to check your account. You are a thief. Yes. When you do spirituality, what you need to do is to double your hustle, be honest, and be diligent in whatever you do. You will be blessed. Yes. Being blessed from the realm of the spirit is the most powerful blessing. Because even if you try to gather wealth in the physical realm and you are not spiritually blessed, you will lose the money overnight. Yes. But if you are spiritually blessed, you see that your money keep flowing. Your money keep growing like grass. And this thing I'm telling you, it is not spiritual anymore. It is real, because I told us before that a time is coming, and that time is now, when spirituality will become physicality. Whether you believe it now or not, you will come to believe it later. So guys, how do you make this to work for you? You are going to keep this thing in your bedroom, that is in the room where you sleep. If your bed has under, you keep it under your bed. But if you don't have, your bed is to the ground, just like my own. All my beds are down to the ground, yes. So, but I have the side drawers. So you keep it on top of the table beside you where you sleep. Just keep it on the table there. Then, once that is done, you leave it there, you sleep and wake up for 3 days. Then you carry it like this. Already before you keep it, you pray over it. Then when you carry it now, on the 3rd day, that is after 3 days, you sleep 3 times. That is on the 4th day now. Yes, because some people are mathematicians on this channel. So, yes, on the 4th day, yes, after 3 nights, you sleep, wake up, sleep, wake up, sleep, wake up. Then, on the 4th day, in the morning, you carry it, pray over it. Then, you go and pour it outside. Yes. You pour this water outside. If you have garden, if you have anywhere, the water with whatever content that is inside, everything, you pour it on the ground. Let it touch the sand. Pour it and then turn back, go into your house. Yes. When you pour it, you can bring your glass back to the house. You can use your glass for another thing. Okay? You have sent this water, this spirituality into mission. Your door will open. You don't need to do over shouting and binding and casting. You follow the principles. Then when you pray, there will be answer. Yes. So, congratulations if you made it this far. And if you didn't make it this far, congratulations also. Yes. Guys, see you again in our next video, because I upload 2 videos on daily basis. So try to watch my video, and remember to give me thumbs up if you like my video. Okay, thank you and God bless. Bye.